Hi, I'm Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. Today, we're looking for advertising for private students in China. Let's check it out. So it's very difficult to get private students in China unless it's by word of mouth or through your school or something like that. Another good way that not many people think about is to use WeChat. So WeChat or Weixin is the most popular social media platform in China, and people use it to communicate all the time. Well, how can you use it to actually advertise and get private students? Well, here's how. First, what you need to do is you need to make a nice graphic profile picture of you advertising you as a teacher. So maybe a good profile shot of you along with some Chinese characters in English saying that you're a teacher of English. Also, you might want to consider changing your name on WeChat as well to say that you are blah 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 teacher or blah 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 Lao Shi. Then change the greeting on your WeChat to say that you are advertising for students. You can do this in Chinese as well. Just either use a translation app or get a Chinese friend to help you. What you need to do next is go to your moments, and you need to open your moments so they're viewable to the public and everybody. Then you need to go to a district or the area of which you are looking to try and locate private students, and you want to go to the people nearby function of WeChat. Turn that on, and that's going to start broadcasting your profile to people around that are also on the people nearby function of WeChat. They'll be able to see your profile, your greeting and all your moments, so they'll know that you are a teacher and you are looking for students. From there, people will be inquisitive and they'll add you. Once they add you, you can use the WeChat translation function to communicate with them if they don't know much English. What I'd really suggest to make this successful is to have a whole bunch of your moments of you with your teachers, or lots of advertisements that are both in English and in Chinese, and maybe some short videos of your classes so they can kind of see your style as a teacher. It can be a bit hit and miss, but the basic premise is you're trying to get your name out there. Yes, you're going to add a whole bunch of people onto your WeChat, but remember, if you don't like them, or if it's they're looking for something different than private classes, or they're difficult to deal with, you can just block them. No harm, no foul. It's not perfect, but it's a start. Once you get that first student and they realize that you're a good teacher, then that word of mouth is going to kick in again, and they're going to pass you around to their friends. They'll even add you to other groups as well, and you can advertise it in there. So just as long as you get the ball rolling, eventually it will snowball. And my top tip, try to find somewhere really high, like I have, and you can broadcast in a longer distance. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.